solve the equation. The root of 5z plus 6 minus 2 is equal to z. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to do away with the root sign. So to do that, we have to make the term with the root sign the subject of this expression. So we have 5z plus 6 under the root is equal to z plus 2. Then we just square both sides so that we have 5z plus 6 is equal to z plus 2 squared. So it means you have 5z plus 6 is equal to z squared plus 4z plus 4. So we can rewrite this as 0 is equal to z squared minus z minus 2. So it means z squared minus z minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We can solve it using any method. So let us try using the factorization method. So we are going to need two numbers whose product is -2 and their sum is -1. So those two numbers are -2 and 1. -2 and +1. So we just split b into -2 and 1. So we have z squared plus z minus 2z minus 2 is equal to 0. So that we have common factor here is z into z plus 1, z plus 1, and you have -2 there is equal to 0. So you have z minus 2 times z plus 1 is equal to 0. So it means that z is equal to 2 and z is equal to -1. So we still have to check if these solutions belong to the original equation, because remember we did some modifications. We squared both sides, so maybe other solutions might have come up. So let us check with the z is equal to 2 in that original equation. So when z is 2, we have 5 times 2 plus 6 under the root minus 2 is equal to 2. So it means we have 10 plus 6, that is 16. So the root of 16 is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So 4 minus 2, that is 2, and that is equal to 2. So that is okay. Then when z is equal to -1, we'll have 5 into -1 plus 6 under the root minus 2 is equal to -1. So under the root we have -5 plus 6, that is root 1. So that is 1 minus 2 is equal to -1, and 1 minus 2 is actually -1. So that is also okay. So it means the equation there has got the two solutions. Z is equal to 2 and z is equal to -1.